Naghahanap ka ba ng perfect staycation na may amazing view tulad nito? If yes, then I recommend Novotel Suites Manila at Aqua. The hotel is located at Coronado, Mandaluyong, Metro Manila. You can book this through Klook. Use my promo code Jeraymon Klook up to 5 times for additional discounts. Rate starts at 5,000 pesos depending on your preferred dates. I booked a superior room with 1 king size bed, a bathtub, and free breakfast buffet na din. Pagpasok ko, nagulat talaga ako kasi ang laki ng room. May isang bedroom, may isang living room, at 2 ang CR. Nabanggit ko bang meron silang bathtub? Oh yes, bathtub. Kompleto na rin lahat ng toiletries nila, may snack bar sila, at pwede ka rin magluto sa room. Meron na rin tong mini work area kung kailangan magtrabaho habang nasa bakasyon. Sobrang laki talaga ng room at kompleto na lahat ng gamit nila. Kaya swak na swak to sa mga small tropang magki-Christmas party o mini reunion. Free na yung parking nila and pet friendly din tong hotel, but you have to pay 2,500 per pet as pet fee. Every Friday night naman merong mini mercato sa baba. Kung ayaw mo namang lumabas, meron din silang in-house restaurant kung saan ako nag-breakfast buffet. Medyo konti yung food choices nila pero masarap yung food, hindi pare-parehas ang lasa. Kung may mga kasama naman kayong mga chikiting, meron silang children's area. At syempre, nag-swimming din ako at grabe ang ganda ng view sa may pool area. Kadaming ilaw. Isa ata may-ari ng mga buildings kasi pare-parehas yung ilaw nila. Kung health buff ka naman, meron na silang malaking gym with complete equipment. Meron din silang viewing deck sa top floor kung saan pwede ka manood ng fireworks sa Christmas at New Year. So if you're planning a hotel staycation with your family or barkada, consider Novotel Suites Manila at Aqua. Again, you can book this through Klook. Use my promo code Jeraymon Klook for additional discounts. Kita-kits sa sunod na lakad ni Jeraymon. Bye-bye!